Hey students, welcome to our channel. In today's session we are going to solve this sum. Let's start our today's session. Let us understand the question first. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the point A is equal minus 3 comma 2 and B is equal 0 comma 4. Equidistant is our keyword for this sum. Okay, to get a perfect solution, it is a keyword. Okay, so let us understand the question first. Find the equation. We have to find a particular equation of locus of a point. Locus of a point, as I have told in my last video about locus of a point, what is a locus of a point and how can we assume a locus of a point. If you have not watched it yet, you can go and watch it. I'll drop the link in the description. So what is the locus of a point? Capital P is equal x comma y. It's a locus of a point and which is equidistant. Equidistance means there are some distances which are equal to each other, which are particularly equal to each other. Okay, so let me take an example. There are three distances that have given. Example, it has given three distances first, but it has given only one value for one distance. It have given only one value for one distance. Remaining two distance we did not got any value. So what we have to do now? Here for first distance, if it is given 4, then it is also applicable to second one. It is also applicable for third one also. Okay, all should be equal. If it is given one term distance, then it is also applicable to remaining all terms distances. So this what the equidistant mean. Okay, and also it have given us 2 points. It has also given us 2 points, that is A and B, and we have took a locus point, that is P. Okay, let's move. Let us understand with a diagram and let us take a basic equation. Here I am taking a circle and let me take a line here. Okay, I have took a line over here and I'm taking point, center point, a center point, and remaining two side points. Now I can divide them into two parts. This is one part and this is one part. Now let us name the point. So this point is known as B, this point is known as P, and this point is known as A. Okay, clear? So this point is A, this point is P, and this point is B. Okay, now we don't know what is the distance here, so we don't know the total distance and we also don't know the separate distance also. So if we think that if we get this one distance, then it is also applicable to second distance. When we'll get one distance, then it is also applicable to all distance. When we get a particular this side distance, then it is also applicable to another side distance. Right, now we can say that a AP is equals to PB or BP. AP is equals to PB. AP is equals to PB. Okay, PB or BP, both are same. So now here we can substitute the points. Now A is equals to minus 3 minus 2. A is equals to minus 3 comma 2. B is equals to 0 comma 4 and P is equals to x comma y. Okay, now what the equation we got here, it is AP is equals to PB. Now AP is equals to BP. Now let us substitute the points into here. Okay, AP is equals to BP. is equals to first point of A and first point of X minus 3 minus X whole square plus second term of A and second term of Y is 2 and Y. 2 minus Y whole square is equals to now BP. BP first term is 0 and first term of P is X. 0 minus X whole square plus 4 minus Y. 4 minus Y whole square. So this was the equation we got after substituting every point. Okay, now let's simplify it. Now here we have minus and minus. Minus into minus is plus, so let us make it positive. 3 plus X whole square plus 2 square is 4 plus Y into square is equals to Y square minus Y minus, because we have minus sign here. Okay, so minus 2 2s are 4 and Y. I have told this such like this sums, and I have explained this in my previous video. If you have not watched it yet, you can go and watch it. I'll leave the link in the description, so go and check it out. Okay, next is equals to 0 square. Something it is multiplied with 0 is equals to 0 only, so 0 is not countable, so we are not counting it. So we are taking only x into square is x square plus 4 square is equals to 16 plus y square. Here minus is there, so that here minus 4 2s are 8 y. Okay, what we got from it? 3 plus x whole square plus 4 plus y square minus 4y is equals to x square plus 16 plus y square minus 8y. Next that implies 3 square. 3 square is equals to x into square is equals to x square. 3 2s are 6 and x plus 6x. Y plus here because we have positive sign here. Next 4 plus y square. 4 plus y square minus 4y is equals to x square plus 16 plus 16 plus y square minus 8y. Okay, now this was we got in our previous. That implies now let us send this all terms to another side, that is LHS side. 9 plus x square plus 6x plus 4 plus y square minus 4y minus x square minus 16 minus y square plus 8y. Guys, now 9 constants are 9 and 4. We have this 2 to add now, 13, and another constant is minus 16. X square and x square will get cancelled, and 6x will be written here. Again y square and y square will get cancelled. Y square and y square will get cancelled, and remaining is plus 8y, and we have here minus 4y is equals to 0. Subtract this both, then we'll get 3 and all are equal, same will write, is equals to 6x plus 8y minus 4y minus 3 is equals to 0. Now 8y and 4y will get subtracted, so what will get? 6x plus 8y minus 4y is equals to 4y minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is our answer, this is our solution, this is our equation of the locus of a point. Thanks for watching.